How do you decide if you should buy a stock or not? Well, first let's start with what a stock is. I'm Andrew, CEO and founder of Compound Wealth. A lot of people ask me, should I buy this stock? Is this stock a good buy now? A stock is a small individual piece of the ownership of a company. Each share is equal in value to each other share, and the number of shares that you own times the current share price is the value of your investment in the company. Now, I'm going to quote an example from one of my favorite author, Joel Greenblatt, The Little Book That Beats the Market. There's a kid who's in school, and that kid sells gum, and that kid is able to make $3,000 expected of profit selling gum over the next 2 years of his time in school. The question is posed, what is half of that gum selling business worth? Now, if you expect to make $3,000 over the next 2 years, then half of that is $1,500. But clearly you wouldn't pay half because $3,000 is the maximum you would expect to make. And any number of things may happen in that scenario. And so you need to be compensated for the risk. The greater the risk, the lower the price should be to compensate you so that if it is successful, you get the reward. What I've found to be the best investment way in figuring out what stock to buy is to look at the free cash that business is expected to generate over the next few years. And then to say, well, what's the right multiple of free cash that that company should trade at? And that gives me a stock price. I look for investment opportunities in really good businesses that are sure to keep growing and compounding over time, where there's a very significant discount to what the stock could be if the cash in a few years is generated and the company trades at historic multiples. Meaning you don't have to watch them every day. In fact, it's best if you don't watch them at all and are able to come back and look at them once a quarter or maybe even every couple years or so, only to see that the companies continue to grow and grow. I'm Compound Wealth, and we're here to help.